Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss if the knowledge base connector from the Dialogflow ES product side does support any other language than the English. So if we go back to the document that we have, this one. Okay, so in this the document shows that knowledge connector supports only English or its own local. Now, what we are going to do is do a one experiment so that we can see if it supports or not. So in the previous video, I've given the link of that video, right, in the description section that we did for the Hindi. Now, what we are going to do is similar thing for the Spanish language. Sorry, not the Spanish. This is Danish language. Okay, so you can see again, I found the link over here. This is just to save the time. So let's go ahead and see if it supports. So what I will do, I will go to the knowledge base and over here click the new document. So let's give name as Danish, type its FAQ, HTML, and we'll give the URL. And over here we will create the knowledge base. Now the question is if it supports, does Dialogflow or the knowledge connector can read this FAQ, which is not in English. That is the first question. Does it understand the questions like the text which is there? So what we can see right now is document created. So the answer to the first question is yes, it does supports or understand the FAQs. Basically, more the answer for that will be since it passed the HTML characters, HTML tags, in fact. So basically, that's why it was able to understand which one is question, which one is answer, although it does not know if it is English or not, right? So you can see over here that it has understand all the questions which was present in the website. Now what we will do, I don't know the language, but what I will do is we will just copy paste and see if it is able to detect the text. And what we see from here that it has something like indent. Yeah, it has able to detect. And what we will do is we will see the diagnostic info there to confirm how much is the confidence level. Since we pasted everything, it is having the confidence level of 1. And then we will see what are the other question it has matched. So this is matched with something like this questions and with this question. And you can see that one of the important factor is the match confidence level, right? What it determines that although Dialogflow knowledge connector doesn't mention Danish as a language which it supports, but it do have some internal mechanism to understand the questions given by the user, and when it's trying to match with the content of the document, right, how much the match level is there. Okay, and you can see that this is quite variable. Let's give another question, and this time we will give little bit less, so something like this. I don't know what exactly the question is, but let's see. So if I type over here and we say that this has found something like this, if I expand, yeah, it is that one. And if I go back to its again the diagnostic info, we'll see how much is the confidence level. So right now the confidence level is 96%. For another question, it has also matched, which is 44% confidence. And then the third question, it has matched with 40% confidence. So I do understand what exactly user have asked, what exactly Dialogflow understood, okay, with the list of the questions that he has in the list. Uh, Rest is up to you guys to see and do experiment with more FAQs put over there, similar wordings. You can type your own question rather than just copy paste, so that you can determine how good or bad behaving is NLP, and put me or share your feedback in the comment section. I'd like to see more on this. So this is just one of our daredevil experiment that I wanted to try and see how it behave. Another mechanism is there that I will share in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.